Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and then click on the power button right here, and choose power off. Next, you'll need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer. Camera, please, there we go. So grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and just have it ready on the side for now. Now, what we want to do is hold the power button and volume up at the same time, and while holding both of those buttons, you're going to immediately plug in the cable. So I'm going to just kind of position my hands in a most awkward way so I can brace the device from sliding off, and we have everything prepped. So I'm going to start holding them now, plug in. In a second you'll see the Galaxy, there we go, at which point you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Now once this mode shows up, you can unplug the cable. It's only needed to enter this mode. Now in here we'll also need to use volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, we're going to start pressing volume down to scroll down and select wipe cache partition, confirm it with the power button, then select yes. And we're done. As you can see at the bottom, cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default, so just press power button and this will reboot the device and continue to boot us into the Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.